Hello everyone, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a skink enclosure or habitat. As you can see here, I have my skink, and if you can focus on the dirt I'm using, this dirt is now normal dirt. I know in some states here, there's some dirt that are like sand, that they are very dry, and when you pour water on them, the water bubbles stay on top. That is some dirt that is not recommended to use, because these guys like to dig caves underground, and the dirt needs to be nice and moist. And you need to spray this dirt at least two times a day with a spray bottle. So you need to spray two times a day to keep this dirt moist, for he can dig his caves. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get a rock, because these animals are cold-blooded. And if you have a lamp, or if you don't have a lamp, it's okay. You can use the natural way of getting his vitamin D by using the sun instead of using the lamps. So he'll just rest there and take some sun. So if you have a window or you have an opening in your house that's the sun goes in your house, just leave him there and he will get his vitamin D naturally. So the first thing I have here is some tree bark. This is some tree bark. I'm going to be doing like a cave with it, for he can hide there when he wants, and I'm going to come back to you once I have that. So I just made this little cave with him out of tree bark. This is just an example. You could do it your own way. And as you can see, he is hiding in there right now, and he is going to sleep, because these animals like to be in caves. So I have his water bowl over here, and I know it's kind of dirty here, but I'm going to rinse it out with water and add nice and fresh water there. And this is basically it. This is how you set up a skink enclosure. But now I'm going to be sharing some facts about this interesting animal. So I want to start off by saying that these are the second largest group of lizards in the whole world. And they can be found around the world, except polar regions, because of course it's too cold. And there are over 1,200 species of these skinks. And these usually grow up to 3 inches long, but larger species can be up to 14 inches in length. And they can easily blend with other objects outside. And let me tell you, this guy was really hard to catch. I spent 1 hour trying to catch this. And it's very hard, because they have the skin like a snake, and it just slips right off you. And I just want to say that these animals are diurnal. That means that they are active during the day and they sleep at night. And these animals feed on mostly insects, including cockroaches, caterpillars, beetles, grasshoppers, and more insects. This lizard is not good to kill, because if you have a garden, these lizards will kill anything that harms your plants, because they feed on insects. And skinks do not have to eat every day, but when the food is available, they will not skip a chance. And if something attacks its tail, like most lizards, it has the ability to regrow its tail. And these animals can live up to 5 to 20 years. So that is very interesting about this skink. And that's basically it. This is how you set up a skink enclosure. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for you to receive any of my newest videos. Thanks for watching.